Hey, I'm Brett with J&G Transmission. We're going to take you around today and meet you to the crew. Let's do this. First, we got Amber, our office manager extraordinaire.
Hi.
That's not enough, Amber.
Welcome to J&G.
Next, we have our newest member. This is Marcus. He's our new service writer extraordinaire.
Hello.
We took him out of the dealership and he's enjoying life at a little less RPM. Josh.
What?
Next we have Josh.
Hi.
We actually picked Josh up out of our Pumpkin Palooza thing that we do at the high school with the auto repair shop. And this is Raphael. This is our Ernesto, our super R&R guy. Next over here, we have Lee. Lee is our parts guy.
Hello.
Over here we have James. Big Poppy, they call him. James is the owner. Over here on the dark side, we have Don. Don is our R&R / diagnostic technician. And here we have Alex. Alex was hiding on the other side. Say hello. And over here we have Jason. Jason, also known as Jason, depending on which side of the shop you're on.
Over there.
Again, there we have James, El Jefe. Over here we have Brad, our master builder and master of other things. And then down here we have Reese. This is our other builder. Say hello, Reese.
What's up?
And that is our crew here at J&G Transmissions. If ever you guys need anything, have any questions, please give us a call, and if I don't have the answer, I will find it for you.